Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today we're going to be making this glowing candy corn tumbler, and oh, there it goes, there it glows. Thank you so much for watching. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Hey everyone, so today we are going to make a glowing candy corn resin tumbler. For this project you're going to need Mod Podge, you're going to need different colors of glitter. These are the ones I'm using, and then of course you need a glowing glitter. This one's from Recollections, as are these other colors. And I've got a spray painted tumbler in white. And first things we're going to do is coat this with the Mod Podge. And you want to make sure this coat is nice and even. Alright, and we're going to start with the white. Next we are going to do the bright orange. Actually, we're going to do in between that, sorry. We're going to do some of the glow in between. So we've got our glow powder. We're just going to put that right in between the layers. Next, we're doing the dark orange. And then we're going to do the light orange. After we do the glow again, we're going to do another little layer of glow. And now we're going to do the light orange. Okay, I'm not quite working fast enough, so my Mod Podge is drying a little faster than I want. So what we're going to do is let this dry, and then we're going to put another coat of the Mod Podge on top of this. Alright, so we've got our second coat of the Mod Podge on, and what I'm going to just do a very fine coat of glitter all over the whole thing with the glow glitter. Very fine all over the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to start at the bottom this time because I didn't get quite enough coverage because it was drying too quick. So I'm going to start at the bottom this time and work my way up instead of the opposite. Okay, and then I'm going to do the glow glitter again. And then we're going to do the darker orange. Okay, and we're going to go back to the glow again. And then we're going to do the white. Okay, and now we're going to let this dry. Alright, so here is our tumbler, all dry. And now we're going to put our epoxy resin on there. And I've mixed up 20 mil, so that's 10 mil of the epoxy and 10 mil of the hardener. And then we're just going to put this over our tumbler and seal it in. And this will likely need more than one coat, but I'm just going to start with the one, seal in those sparkles, glitter, sparkle glitter, and then we'll likely do another coat after it's cured. And try to get in as even of a coat as possible and try to make sure everything's covered if you can. I'm sure most of you who are watching this have done this before, so I don't really need to explain, but if you do have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments section. And I'm just about to let this cure, but I did forget to video one step. Before this was done curing, I did put another thin layer of the glow glitter on top of this, just to make sure it was given enough glow. So now my first set of epoxy is cured, and now I'm going to do another coat. I've done 20 mils again, 10 mil of the hardener and 10 mil of the resin, and then we're just going to coat this. So we now have our second coat of epoxy fully on the tumbler, and now we're just going to let the tumbler spin until the epoxy is cured, and then we'll be back to show the finished tumbler. And here is our finished tumbler. I think it turned out very candy cornish, but I know you guys just really want to see what it looks like in the dark glowing. And here it is glowing. I think it turned out very good. Thanks so much for watching. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and happy Halloween.